We like dividends, so we managed to avoid a few of the bubbles lately in the market this time around. If you were heavily invested in tech or ESG, it's likely that you're feeling some financial pain. You may be asking yourself, how can you stop the loss? Should you sell, do nothing, or buy? Let's take a look. Let's bring up a 30-year chart of the S&P 500, which I'm going to use as a market proxy. You can see that it's down at this writing over 16% from the annual high. You can also see that over the long period of time, it's totally normal to have serious retractions. We've got the dot-com boom and bust in there. We've got the great financial recession. We've got the pandemic. You can also see that it's totally normal and natural to have really speedy recoveries afterwards. So should you sell out your portfolio? Absolutely not. Should you maybe consider doing some adjustments? Sure. If you have a company or a sector where you've been caught off guard by bad fundamentals, there's lots of opportunity out there, but it's really important to stay invested. Now is not the time to reevaluate your risk parameters. You want to do that after the correction. What about doing nothing? A lot of times investors feel like they need to do something, they have to be active. But in fact, doing nothing is actually doing something. You're making the active decision to continue to hold, and it's generally the right decision. When in doubt, stick to the facts and don't forget that long-term chart I showed you. Number 3, as tempting as it is, try not to look at your portfolio every 15 minutes. Did you know that statistically, the more often you look at your portfolio, the more likely it is that you are to be unhappy because you're going to be noticing all the little price fluctuations throughout the day and it can lead to anxiety. Number 4, look for opportunity to buy great companies at even better prices. And number 5, if you're getting paid dividends, well, you're getting paid to wait. It's a beautiful thing. What about buying? Absolutely. If you see a great company at an unbeatable price, what's not to love? Just make sure you're going for quality and make sure you've done your research. Don't forget to leverage the experience and knowledge of your wealth advisor. I'm Anna Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.